Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your OPPO Enco Air 3 with your Android phone. So to do this you have to open this charging case and wait until this indicator will light up, just like that. Also you are able to remove both earbuds from this charging case. And right now you can go to the boot settings, click to pair new device, and now you can just wait for your OPPO to appear on the list. And as you can see, we just pair them right now. And to finish this process, you have to also open the Google Play Store, be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and type Hey Melody. We have to get this application, and this app allows us to use more features of this earbuds, so just be patient and wait for the download. Click open, accept the permissions, go to the settings, accept another permissions, and click to add. Turn on location services. Okay, in my case I have to open this application one more time because for some reason it doesn't back, but as you can see, when we previously connect them by the standard blue settings, we are already connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.